see it on my face. I made up my mind, not another day. You're on borrowed time, let me get away. Yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.
In this video here, I'm going to show you how to create this kit. It's for Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So it's for Aerodynamic. They put it on the roof, and I'm going to try to make another one to another car, and it's Honda Civic. So if you see here, using the reverse engineering scan, this one is scanned with my iPhone. So I'm going to try to make this kit to my car. So if you look at here, the first thing we're going to do is just go into power surfacing menu, and I'm going to create a planar surface. Okay, press apply, get the box mode, and I'm going to just move it at the top here. So first, just scale it a little and right click on it and make constraint to surface. So now we got this, put it on the surface. So it's going to start from here. Let me take the curve from here and get the top view. And what I'm going to do is just extruding a couple of times until I'm going to the back. Okay, so if you go back to the right plane again, you can see here, maybe it goes until, maybe this tool is great. All right, so the top plane again. Now we're gonna make it just thinner. Maybe that's good. All right, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to extrude this. So I need to do a thickness for this one, and then I'm gonna extrude on the top of it. Okay, so let's see how I can do this. First, I'm just gonna uncheck the constrain it to mesh and go to power surfacing, mesh tools, and thickness. So maybe the thickness here, I need it to be, if you just look at here again, that's maybe 3 millimeters. So if you just type 3 and press enter. So now after we just did the same curvature and it's just on the roof, I'm just gonna take this a little like this, and this here one also. Okay, so this one only is that constrained to the surface. If we just took this one we have two options. Number one is bevel it and extrude and make it center. Something like this. And that's gonna be option number one. Okay, and if we just add a crease here, yeah, we've got another option. And what I would prefer here, because of this something for the aerodynamic, and I'm just going to uncheck constrain it to surface. And select all of this faces again and copy. And now I'm just going to make this center. Okay, and I'm gonna get this here, and from the side view maybe scale it a little, and if you look here, maybe it's gonna be like this. And easily select here, and this should be flat from the top, so I'm just gonna make it flat like this. Okay, so let's see from the top view, because of this one is not just straight. As you see, it has a curve on the center. So from the right side near to the windows, you have just something like curve here. So I'm going to go back and try to manipulate this curve. So I can do it manually or with the bend tool. So if I just need to do it manually, I'm easily gonna select these three faces and do some kind of movement like this. So it's gonna give me the bend. Or I can use the bend tool by selecting it all, using the mesh tools and bend. So I can select from here to here and bend a little like this. So if I just apply and move this here and rotate a little, make this flat to this side. Alright, and I'm going to select them and extrude. Of course, you can make sure it's just inside the other body. Something like this. Maybe need to move it a little on the center. Okay. And the other thing is making all of these angles creased. Select these corners here and crease them. Maybe 60 gonna be good. And for here, I'm gonna select all edges. Let me just first close this side. Can use the bend tool here. And we just close it from the bottom, make them flat. Or I can delete this and extrude. And just need to be more thicker, so I'm select this side faces and move a little like this. And this one is going to be creased, maybe 40 or something, and let's close the bottom. You can select them all in quad fill, so it's going to be just closed immediately, and crease all bottom outlines. You can make a hard edge. Okay, then those guys. Well, I can make this all hard edge. Okay, and here also. And for this guy here, I'm gonna just make it on the place here. I'm just gonna get this a little here, all right, and move this to the back a little. All right, and let's break this. Sharp edge, maybe make this smooth, increase it a little. Okay, go to the enable the Z buffering here to see if it just need to be up or down. Alright, I see now it's just amazing. What I'm gonna do is easily convert it. So just hit convert, and I have two solid bodies. I'm gonna go to combine them, right? And for this sharp angle, I'm gonna get a fillet and fillet it. If you just look at the picture, we have a small fillet. Maybe it's 5 millimeters, right? Something like this. And another fillet at here. It's maybe 1 millimeters. Let me first fillet the sharp edges. Like this. And then just add the color, textured. Okay, and now as you see that the finish of the product here, and this is the first one we just designed it, and as you see everything looks good and great. And here another one with just some adjustments and just make it taller and change the angle of the curve on the top, as you see in here. So as you see, it's just bigger than the other one, and exactly like I just got it on the SolidWorks. Now let's test it on a car and see the results.
See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away, yeah I'm running, yeah I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.